Hi, welcome back to Edquest. In this session, we will discuss prerequisites for setting up Kubeflow. What are the dependencies required before installing the Kubeflow? In this walkthrough, we will guide you through every step from preparing persistent storage, downloading manifests, to finally accessing the UI where you can run your own ML pipelines. This session is designed for learners who want full control over their deployment, not using a managed cloud services, but hosting Kubeflow in their own environment. Let's get started. Before we jump into setting up Kubeflow, let's quickly go over the prerequisites. First, you will need a Kubernetes cluster. We are using version 1.21 or higher. Is recommended for best compatibility. Make sure kubectl is installed and properly configured to interact with your cluster. Don't worry if nothing is installed in your system. We will give you a complete overview how we can install these binaries and dependencies in our upcoming sessions. And you should also have sufficient node resources. The minimal resource required, your machine should have 4 CPUs and 8 GB of RAM. Internet access is required since we will be pulling manifests and container images. And lastly, your system must have write permission to the path which we described here. I mean the host path. This path will be used for persistent volume provisioning. If all these things are in place, we are good to go. Thanks for watching this session and be ready for the next session where we will understand the agenda to set up a Kubeflow, and further we will do the workshop to installation of the Kubeflows and its dependencies. Thank you.